Sup. Sup. All right. Welcome back to another day in the market. We are gonna do some pre-market analysis and we are gonna get ready for the market, right? All right. So what do we have here? Let's see in terms of a higher time frame perspective, right? Let's fucking you all the indicators and stuff. So last week, Monday, s- so we started from there. This was last week's starting candle and this week's starting candle. So let's do a weekly profile for these motherfuckers. All right. So what happened to us last week? Got out of value, came inside to the POC, did a retest of the value area, came out and went back in again. So based on higher time frame perspective, what do I see here? What do I understand? I understand that every time price came inside its value, it traversed its value, right? Every time price came inside its 70% range, it came inside, did a retest, and traversed the entire value area. So, what am I thinking right now? We see it came inside its value area, so I expect the price to traverse this value area too. So I'm instantly bullish on this market right now, right? Now, if we go drop down to a smaller time frame and draw a value area from right around this distribution swing point, then we can see we just made a low volume node right here, right? So what I want to see is drop down to this low volume node, do some change of structure, and break its high, take it more higher. So I want to see something like this, right? So let's just wait and watch and play some cheap ass music. Let's fucking get ready. Ready to conquer the market this week, right? Last week was a fucking losing week, so this week gotta get back into the market. Trying to set up my fucking H's here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are running H's. So let me pull up some charts real quick. Let me show you the tape and stuff. So let's look in the perspective of order flow, right? What has happened in the market? What is going on in the market right now? So let's do a quick analysis on the market. So yeah, so you can see, right? So these are TPOs for 30 minutes, right? Time price opportunities. So looks like it's a lot if you look at TPOs, but the thing is you gotta look them side by side, right? Let's fucking go back to the GPU chart again. I think it's in 30 minutes increments. So the whole session is one TPO, right? From 18 to another 18, right? And we are gonna see how did the volume and time get distributed in this section of trading session, right? So you see how this is a time perspective, and you see how there was high volume traded during this session, but the time spent was really less, right? So that is a nice ass rejection. You got it? So let's see what happened during this phase. What was it? Was it today? No, it was the other day. So let's look at this around. Yeah, high volume was traded around this place. 7:20. All right. So you could one moment. Let me clean up the chart a little bit. All right. So this is today's profile. This is the other day. So you see, right? Every time it came down to its value area low around this price, 74.3250, 74.3250, right around this value area low. A lot of volume was traded, but the time spent was really less, right? So a lot of volume was traded, time spent was less. A lot of volume was traded, time spent was less. So every time it comes down, what we do is we take a long, because there's high volume there. You got it? There's high volume there, but the time spent is less. That means that's a valid point of rejection, right? So looking at the TPO chart and looking at the price action chart, you can form a bias, right? See how many times we would have succeeded if we had taken that trade, right? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 1 fucking loss. Or you could even make this a trade, because you see how it came down, retested the high volume node where it spent really less time. So market was like jab, quick, right? Jab, 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 right? You see how it used that point as a fulcrum to determine the direction, right? Either it rejected or used as a support later on, right? So these kind of points are really important. So this point can be our fulcrum for today. So I am gonna mark this point real quick. 74.3250, 74.32, somewhere around here, right? This is gonna be one of my point to watch and see how all the confluence align, right? See, we just had pointed out the low volume node I want to see, and it is at the exact same point. So market is trying to tell us a story here, right? You see how the weekly value area aligns with previous day's fulcrum point and aligns with low volume node. This is a fucking A++ setup right here, right? So that is how you determine a confluence, determine a bias for the day, right? So 10 minutes to market open, and it's not like there's 100% guarantee that this trade is gonna go in profit, but there's a higher chance of it going in profit than it not going into profit. So it's not like I'm gonna risk fucking everything in this trade. That's why we got fucking stop loss. That's why we got risk management. There's a lot of things to determine before taking a trade. let's get it this week, right? Gotta fucking make back last week's loss and make some profit this week. And gotta get more dialed in. Gotta learn more. You know, once you're a trader, you're a lifelong learner. You cannot be constant in this market, because market changes and you have to adapt with the market. You have to be able to understand what the big players, big brothers trying to do. Damn, the latency is fucked up. Latency is fucked up. Alright. Anyways, we are gonna get a new fucking internet this week and get rid of this shitty internet. So I hope that makes things better. Anyways, see what I'm talking about? Even the chart isn't responding right now. So, alright, let me fix this shit real quick. Just crazy. See, I can't even load my chart. What the fuck? Yo, I might just need to end the stream and trade on my own. It's fucking crazy. market's about to open. 4 minutes. What the fuck? Come on, NinjaTrader. Come on. Damn, something ain't right. But let me close and open really quick. It has been bugging out sometimes. What's wrong with Atis? This is what happens to me. Alright, I guess we're just trading using NinjaTrader now. I don't know why I fucking paid for Atis then. I don't know what's wrong with these fucking piece of shits. Anyways. Back. Alright, one last try, and we should be done with work. I'm fucking done with this. And bam, we're live. Yes, sir. That's what I want to see. All right. Fucking 5 minutes charge. All right. GPOs. What does it say? Spend a lot of time, less volume. That means doesn't want to be here, right? Spend a lot of time here, very less volume. So not a definitive move. And what about here? A lot of volume, very less time. So there's no sign of acceptance. So, but it's still a developing market or developing place. So you gotta watch out a little bit. GPO and profile, right? All right. Now what do we see? We see market is on a free fall right now, and volume looks kind of iffy, kind of a little bit developing volume. Basically a trending market. Tell me about it. So this profile is, I think, from here. Yeah, this profile is from here, right here. So here, yeah, this is the fucking session profile. I don't think it's from here. No, it's from this area. This is the whole picture. So what did we see here? High volume, less thing. What you want to see here is high volume, yes, time. That means this one is also could be classified as absorption. It's right there. Draw some rectangles, adjustment. Bucket arcs there. Yeah. Classified absorption, probably. See the delta real quick. Uh, oh, side big trades, right? Alright. Yeah, so buyers got absorbed, came down, retested. Could have taken a short, but it's on top of the range, so we are gonna follow the trend. Wait a little bit, see if we get a pullback, or see if we see some sellers absorption. Anything but losing money, right? Anything but losing money. That's the goal today. We could try out some longs and shit from here. See 1,000 buyers stepping up from there. But I'm still a little bit uncertain right now. I don't wanna be fucking anything but losing money today. Alright. So